Hey guys, today's video, I got the ESP LTD Black Metal. Come on in, let's look at this thing. Alright, so let's open this thing up. Just recently got this thing. I went through it a little bit just to make sure there was actually a guitar in here. And here it is. The ESP LTD. Ooh, look at that thing, right? This is the LTD Black Metal. What a cool looking guitar. This is neck through construction. So look at that, right? Made in Korea. This one is from 2020. It's got the push-pull on it. Alright, so 25.5-inch scale length. Got a 3-piece maple neck, ebony fretboard, black satin finish, extra thin U-shaped neck on this. Seymour Duncan pickup. The bridge is the Floyd Rose 1000. It's got the push-pull, so you can split this coil and go single coil mode. Back here on the back of the guitar, we've got Grover tuners. And we've got the back plate on here, and it's just basically, a lot of guys don't even put these back on. It's kind of a dust cover. But this one has these slots here, and you might be asking yourself, well, what are these things for? That's so you can stick a Phillips screwdriver in there and make little adjustments without having to take this back plate off. Again, a lot of guys don't even stick those back plates back on there. But this is just a really cool guitar. These things do have 24 XJ stainless steel frets. So these are extra jumbo stainless steel frets. You're never going to have to file these fret ends. They're always going to stay nice and smooth like that. A lot of dudes love these tall frets. Alright guys, so here it is straight out of the box. It came very close to being in tuned. I didn't have to mess with it too much, which is a good thing with these Floyd Roses. You don't want to buy a new guitar and have it way out of tune where, you know, everything's crazy. So with this pulled up, you can hear the single coil mode. But me being the bass player, this thing is just way too... This thing is just way too metal for me. I'm a bass player. And so I feel like I'm totally not worthy.
We're not worthy! We're not worthy! We're not worthy! We're scum! We suck!
I can tell that the fret markers glow in the dark, which is a great thing when you're up on stage and it's dark. Need Zach down here to play this thing. But anyhow guys, there you have it. It is an ESP LTD and this thing is called Black Metal. Single pickup, just a super shred machine. Thank you guys for watching. Everybody have a great day. I would play this thing, but I'm not even worthy. So there you guys go. Thanks a lot.